Hi, this is Chris, 24K on Instagram, 24K on Twitter, and 24K_lifestyle on TikTok. Today we're showcasing the Core Gaming by Mobile Edge backpack. This area here is ready for Velcro. They also have loops, so you can attach things inside. Even the loops have Velcro on top. You have patches on here, any number of things, and you have two pockets up front. There we are, multiple Velcro attachment points. And then you have this as well, you can attach through. Same thing with this pocket here, multiple Velcro attachment points. And then on the side, you can keep everything together. There's this clip, keep this together on the side. There's more loops here. This is another pocket right there. It's fairly large, it goes all the way down to the bottom of the backpack. There's one attachment point with Velcro right there. And then going up this area here, we see another attachment piece here, so you can actually attach a very long item here on the side, so like maybe a tripod or something for a camera gear. And then on the inside, on this very back pocket, you have a spot for a laptop that goes very deeply into the bag, and then you have a nicely lined pocket here for a tablet. And then this spot here, you can do a cord through the bag, so that will go through the bag right here. And then you have a key catch right here. This is that channel through the bag. You can put the cord for charging reasons. And then up here, you have another spot to put something in. And at the bottom of the bag, it's padded. So when you drop something in here or you set the bag down, it won't break whatever's in there. And then you have a fully zippered pocket right here. That is a mesh pocket. You can put your cables and charger, adapters and mice and whatever else that you might need right there. And then up here you have a small pocket that has a zipper. You can put like change up here or cash. That's a nice spot for that. And then you have a nice deep pocket right here. There's also a lowered mesh pocket that does not have a zippered compartment right there. So you have several spots you can put things that is padded at the very bottom. And then going further to the front of the bag, this is a fully zippered compartment right here. You have your warranty information in this mesh pocket here. You have two mesh pockets up top that are separated by in the middle right there. And then you have several card slots right here, and you can put things in this mesh pocket like a battery or something else that you might need. And there's a final zippered internal mesh pocket down here, maybe charging cables that you want to fit down in there. But there's a lot of space for cards, memory cards, batteries, cables, chargers, also keyboards and mice. So this is great for gaming. Of course, this is a gaming backpack. And now on the back, you have a full setup here with the shoulder pads. They're nicely padded, and you can see that they're breathable. All the way down the back as well, padded and breathable. And then if you want to, you can fit this over a luggage piece. It has this strap right here. And of course, all of this is clipped in place. You can unclip them. And then you have metal hooks that you can hook things into right here on the shoulder straps for both. Here's another metal clip right here. And it feels like it's made with quality metal as well. This is adjustable up and down on the shoulder straps, so you can put them wherever you want. You can clip them in place. And then finally, you have two metal eyelet hooks right here, and then this rubber coated piece handle for the bag. So here on the front, you have this cover top piece that also clips into place right there, nice and easy to protect everything that's been zippered into place up top. And then the bottom of the bag is well protected for your products, and one zipper at the bottom with a hidden piece right here. But this is nice and well padded for when you set your laptop, tablets, and other devices in the bag. This is Core Gaming Backpack by Mobile Edge, and you can get this now from either Core Gaming's website or Mobile Edge. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments, and of course, thumbs up.